This is a stock Nissan Elgrand, and today we're going to try and put some 31s on it. These things weigh freaking 700 kilos. We're going to do that using Nissan Patrol springs and Nissan Pathfinder struts. Woohoo! And some chopping and tomfoolery. And yes, this van is 4-drive, so we're going to make it look like one. Because right now it's way too low to go anywhere. Except John Mama's.
Good one.
Elgrand before the lift. This is going to be scuffed.
You ain't seen nothing like it. It's gonna be childers.
Hey, it's me in the mirror. Hello everybody. James has just been donated some plastic Nissan side skirts.
This is what I wanted. I've always wanted one of these.
Oh hell yeah.
Wait, even 2.
Boss, there's 2 on there and they're all yours. Don't need them for where we're fucking going. We're going to Alice Springs.
So we're just gonna give him one of these.
They're tucked way up in there.
Yeah.
Same with the engine. And the strap top. Indeed. Look at that. One issue we're going to have fitting these on is the Elgrand strut clearance with the tyre. So these are only like 28s or something. And as you can see, they're already going to hit the spring perch. So with the Pathfinder struts, that spring perch is like another 20mm higher. But there's a chance if that offset's not low enough, we're going to have to cut the lower spring perch and re-weld it higher up just to get that clearance. So yeah, you can't go smacking big wheels on the Elgrand until you do with that.
Yes, sir.
Last time this thing has gammon ass street wheels on it.
China boy wheels.
China boy,
Got that
look
ching
at that
chow. Wow, that's a big shaft.
Hell yeah, look at that.
Well, it's gonna look like a Nissan Navara van.
So on the rear, all we're changing is the spring. And we might need to extend the shocks with some scuffed modifications. But otherwise, there is no strut clearances to worry about here. What we have to worry about is poke, because these rear doors are sliding.
Yeah, they do.
Interfere. So hopefully the offset is not too aggressive for the rear.
We're about to find out. Alright, we just slapped some wheel nuts on it.
I'm not confident that the door's going to open now.
Open that door, boy. I reckon a hammer, 1v1, hammer versus door, and we'll get it. Yeah, this is the cock snatcher 2000.
Nice.
We got that 20mm difference.
Yeah, I don't know.
Slight more height.
That's going to be close.
It might be
Otherwise, we're cutting that and moving it up. I don't think we're going to...
It's got a gasket.
You had a gasket. But that's stuck. Spring compressor, ratchet strap engineering.
Yeah.
True.
Yes. That's cool.
Nice work. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Go the boilies.
We have some fouling here, as you can see.
Yeah. I mean,
Heavy boy.
tough guy.
Oh!
Zachary, we are winning, son.
We got clearance!
Let's go.
It's about the exact same clearance I had the standard struts with the 19s.
Yeah.
So that'll work.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
That'll freaking work.
Oh, look at this.
We'd have to modify them if I want to run 33s. But for the meantime, 31s, we'll just leave them alone. So yes, this all works, but we're going to pull the strut back out and we're going to grind off those little foulings we had, so then we can pull in some more negative camber. Also, we forgot to put the bum stops in, of course. So we're going to take the top hat off, put the bum stop back in. This brace thingy here interferes when we turn the wheel. So we're going to do some modifications with that. But otherwise, there's plenty of room in the front for it to go. No dramas at all, really there.
We're gonna cut it. Gonna go for one of these.
Boss. Cheers, as Boily.
Cheers, Boily. Okay, that's a comparison.
Yeah. We're gonna grind the.
Bit of a clearance here.
Yeah. So by cutting that right there, whoosh, we can run it closer to the strut, dial into more negative camber. The greatest forward drive mods channel in Australia.
Yeah, get around it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Oh, should we put a bump stop in this one?
Yes. We'll delete the old one
Cactus Prime.
and we'll just slide him over to Shafe.
Yeah, how to make mushrooms. Hey, this looks like fun. Bump stop goes in here. Well,
That's seen better days. Boost. Chicken dinner.
that's kind of cool. I reckon we run max negative camber.
Yes.
You can see our clearance that we have gotten from cutting those bottom bits of the strut, and we got the camber bolt in the top. Hopefully after all this lift, our camber's in the ballpark, but we won't know until we put it on the ground.
Brother, how did cool cars just spawn at you? Gonna shove this Tuppy Meister in here.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. Right, we might actually have to put this on the ground because this thing's gonna fly.
Alright.
Wank.
There's a rear springs. Not much taller, but fucking much stiffer. Ain't that right?
That's right. Give him fucking one of those back. Object.
Ooh, we're getting dog cars. Oh, yeah. Rider. Autismo Tech. High rider. Low rider. Knob rider. Yeah.
Hey.
A couple of ugger-duggers. Boss. Look at this. Now it's time to remove the body kit. Play around with the alignment a little bit. It's a bit scuffed.
There you go. Did the cut, did the paint, did the remount.
We've marked out where we're going to cut the bumper. Both sides. Get a bit more clearance. Make it look tough. And we're also going to cut the bottom half of this front grille as well. Follow this line right there. Trying to dial in some more negative camber with the concentric bolts. Hey boss.
Hey, bolts.
And we marked out where we're going to cut. And this is going to be perfect to smash on rocks. Alright.
We're in full party mode soon.
Yeah, we are running max negative camber and max toe in. And she looks okay.
Looks okay, yeah?
We're going to stick with that. Alright, got our camber bolt down here, pushing max negative. We've moved this one in and got some clearance on the back. Cut out this bracket here. And the front should just about be aligned, I think. Looks pretty straight up and down to me. Let's go. Cool.
Wet.
Taking the side skirt off.
Haha, ready? Watch this.
We're going to reuse that one day because it is a plastic side skirt.
Hat too.
Yeah, we'll find a car to put them on. Rear bar has been trimmed up, as you can see. Gotta trim that off, probably ran out of battery.
Yeah.
Low front has been trimmed up.
That's so fucking.
This is kind of like a temporary solution until I get a bull bar on here. Oh yeah, that'll do. Alright, alignment done. Eyeball.
Yeah, starter up, boy. Oh, that's tough. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool.
It's the biggest riggers, bro.
It's so big.
Unreal.
It dwarfs the D-Max. Alright, we're about to go for a drive.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, look at that. Looks cool in the mirror. Looks like these nuts. Got him. Little bit of...
This is a very flexible chassis. So there's like all the interior plastics creak heaps when you go up gutters and stuff.
We're flexing right now. It's in the air, bro. Alright, we're testing on a roundabout. So far, very nice and good. A little bit of fucking scrubby-dub. We'll have to smash that with a hammer, I reckon.
Yeah. We have an Elgrand on 31. It's the first one in Australia, bro. For sure. Hello.
Hello, what did you?
So, I have been driving this lifted Elgrand for like 3 months now. And it's pretty good, but it needs more lift. So today we're chucking in some shock spacers.
Well, hey.
And
Big
also,
UFO.
we have some 350Z rear shocks, which seem to be a little bit longer than the standard Elgrand one. So
Hey. Let's go.
get some more flex out.
She's gonna be big.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Aaron Ritchie here.
Wait, I don't have my fringe out. Sorry,
Dude.
Aaron, not doing you justice, mate.
Ugh.
We are trying to figure out how to get more negative camber out of the front because we've already monkeyed this setup and we've already got a camber bolt in there. So
Got a camber bolt there in the bottom. We fucking drilled the shit out of the top strut bolt. However,
know
when
what
you
you're
drill
talking
this
about.
more, yeah,
anyways, we're going to be lifting the front another 50 mil, so naturally it's going to...
do that positive
Positive.
camber. There we go. A bit of science action happening here, ladies. Getting fucking motherfucking. Oh, they're fucking clapped, eh?
Lucky we got some
These
brand
are
new ones.
clapped. They are long.
Extended ones.
Oh, baby, look at that. We both said that at the same
Look
time.
at that. Let's chuck him on.
Yeah, we are. Get the fucking rattle again.
You strip.
Just like you're an ant. You're an ant should strip. Wait. G'day, mate.
Just drink it, you fucking idiot.
Boosa!
Hadoos, cunt.
Here we are. This is a leverage point kyunks. We're trying to get our kyok in. Look at that. She's in. She can fucking spin around and all that. And it's pretty much giving one of these. What do you reckon? Yeah. Hey. Game's up. Not an M6 one, but yeah, pretty much. You get what we get. We don't get fucking upset.
Spacers are in. On the top.
We're gonna put it on the ground and see how it sits. See if we need to change the alignment. Might not, but if we need to, no worries. I'll have all the alignments.
Shockey's in the rear. That's the next job once this is done.
Oh, that was a big one.
It's like Mickey Mouse is in there, boys. Fire. Put a bit of spray on the old bolt. Hey, now we hit it with a motherfucking socket. Yay. Now we're gonna send that dog like a motherfucker. This is a crusty thread, man.
Yeah, that's crusty ass Shockeys. So, that is the stock Elgrand rear shock, and that is a 350Z rear shock. It is 120 mil longer. It's exactly what we need. in the back of this thing. The only modification we have to do is grind this captive nut off because the thread is too small for the Elgrand bolt. Once you grind that off, paint it up, chuck it in. Bogus.
And we crank the soldier boil. Oh yeah, that's him.
We got another 60mm of droop out of the 350 shocks. So about this much.
Hey,
That's awesome, very happy with that.
that's chill.
Gonna have a lot more flex front and rear.
That's fucking sick, bro.
IRS Elgrand. Pretty happy with that.
Hey.
Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah.
Oh man.
Hell yeah.
She's tough, mate. That's the shit.
That is a freaking lifted Elgrand, bud.
Here we are, rolling out.
Rolling out.
Here we go.
Rolling.
Yeah, the boy, bye, Lee. He's doing some.
He's going shit himself. He's always hitting